Hi, welcome to Tab Tech. Today, we're looking at something small but mighty. The Asus ROG NUC. At first glance, it might look like a plain box, maybe even a router. But inside, it holds serious power for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants. A high-performance desktop in a compact body. Asus has released its first gaming-focused NUC under its ROG brand. ROG stands for Republic of Gamers. It's Asus's premium gaming line. So when they attach ROG to a product, they mean business. The ROG NUC is part of that vision. It's built for serious performance in a small shell. The first thing you'll notice is the size. It's small. It's clean. It comes with a vertical stand, and yes, it kind of looks like a Wi-Fi router. That's not a bad thing. In fact, it helps it blend in with modern setups. The front has a smooth plastic finish. The power button is placed near the top. There are a few USB ports and an SD card slot right up front, which is convenient for creators and streamers. The only real hint that this is a gaming machine is the glowing ROG logo. It lights up and adds a bit of flair. You can customize the lights using Asus's Aura Sync software. If you have other Asus gear, like a keyboard or mouse with RGB lighting, you can sync it all together. It's a nice touch for people who care about the look of their desk. And if you want to make it your own, there's space inside the case to add a custom overlay behind the glowing logo. So you could print your own design and let it shine through. If you don't like vertical setups, you're covered. The ROG NUC also has rubber feet on the bottom. That means you can lay it flat, like a traditional desktop PC. Whether it's standing up or lying down, it still looks sharp and professional. Asus clearly put thought into the design. Now, let's talk about ports. This thing is packed with them. On the front, you get two USB-A ports and that SD card slot. But turn it around, and the back is where things get exciting. There are two USB-A ports that support superfast speeds, 20 gigabits per second. That's USB 3.2 Gen 2x2. It's rare even on big desktops. But it's perfect for fast external drives or high-speed accessories. You also get an HDMI port. There's a Thunderbolt 4 port, which can also send video. And there are two DisplayPort outputs. That means you can connect up to four 4K monitors at once. That's perfect for streamers, multitaskers, or people who want an immersive triple-monitor gaming setup. Most PCs, especially small ones, can't do that without extra hardware. The ROG NUC does it out of the box. Internet connectivity is also top-notch. It supports Wi-Fi 6E. That gives you faster and more stable wireless connections, especially if you have a modern router. But if you prefer wired internet, the NUC has a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. That's faster than the standard gigabit ports on most PCs. Whether you're downloading games, uploading videos, or streaming at high bit rates, this kind of connection helps. Now let's look inside. Asus offers two models of the ROG NUC. One is called the 760. The other is the 970. The 970 is the higher-end version, and that's the one we'll focus on. It uses Intel's Meteor Lake platform. That's the newest mobile chip line from Intel, and it's designed for both performance and efficiency. The processor inside is called the Core Ultra 9. It's built with a mix of cores. There are 6 performance cores. These handle demanding tasks like gaming or editing. Then there are 8 efficiency cores. These take care of background apps or light tasks. Finally, there are 2 low-power cores designed to save energy. Altogether, the chip supports 22 threads. That's a lot of multitasking power in a small system. Meteor Lake chips also have a built-in neural engine. That means they can handle AI tasks faster and more efficiently. This is useful for new software features, content creation, and even gaming performance. Intel has clearly made this chip future-ready. The lower model, the 760, uses the Core Ultra 7. It's a bit less powerful, but still very capable. It's a good choice if you want to save money while still getting a strong gaming experience. But let's talk about graphics. The ROG NUC 970 includes an NVIDIA RTX 4070. It's a mobile version, like what you'd find in a gaming laptop. But don't let that fool you. It still delivers excellent gaming performance. You can run modern titles at high settings and still get smooth frame rates. The 760 version comes with an RTX 4060. It's a step down, but still great for 1080p, and even some 1440p gaming memory is also well thought out. The system uses laptop-style SATA memory. You can install up to 64 GB of RAM. That's more than enough for gaming, video editing, streaming, and more. Whether you're using Chrome with dozens of tabs or running Adobe Premiere, this system won't slow you down. For storage, the ROG NUC includes 3.2 slots for PCIe Gen 4 SSDs. That means you can install up to 3 fast solid-state drives. You could use one for your system, one for games, and one for media files. Or just fill all 3 with massive storage for video projects or backups. It's flexible, and it's fast. Now, you might be wondering how this compares to a gaming laptop. In many ways, it's similar. The parts inside are mobile class. But since the NUC has better cooling and more airflow, you can expect more consistent performance. Plus, you get more ports, more upgrade options, and fewer thermal issues. With a laptop, you're stuck with what you get. Here, you can swap parts, add more storage, and customize your setup. And because it's a desktop, it doesn't have to worry about battery life or screen size. Let's talk about who this is for. If you're a gamer who wants a powerful PC but doesn't have room for a full tower, this is a great choice. If you're a content creator who needs speed, storage, and multiple displays, the ROG NUC has you covered. It's small enough to fit on your desk, but powerful enough to handle big tasks. You could take it with you, use it in an office, or even set it up as a streaming PC. It's very flexible. Now, the price. The high-end 970 model costs around $2,199. That includes the Core Ultra 9 processor, RTX 4070, and all the expansion options. The base 760 model starts at $1,629. That's with the Core Ultra 7 and RTX 4060. These prices are close to what you'd pay for a premium gaming laptop. But here, you get a desktop that's cooler, quieter, and easier to upgrade. You will need to add a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, but many gamers already have those. When you look at the full package, it's clear that ASUS did a great job. The design is clean. The hardware is powerful. The port selection is impressive. And the build quality is solid. It's a system that fits into modern setups, whether you're gaming, editing, or just want a reliable PC that won't take over your whole desk. The ROG NUC is a sign that compact desktops are ready for prime time. It proves that you don't need a huge case to get serious performance. It fits in small spaces, but it doesn't cut corners. Whether you use it vertically or lay it flat, it works. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it delivers. So, if you're looking for a powerful, future-ready gaming machine in a compact package, the ASUS ROG NUC is worth considering. It blends the performance of a gaming laptop with the flexibility of a desktop. And it does it all in a case that's not much bigger than a book. Thanks for joining us today on Tap Tech. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the ASUS ROG NUC, be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got more tech reviews, tips, and breakdowns coming soon. See you in the next one.